In this video, we will use Recuva tool, which can be used to recover deleted files on Windows operating system. This tool can recover files deleted from hard disks, USB flash drives, memory cards, portable media players. Let's search on Google. Recuva. Click on this link over here on cccleaner.com site. There are two versions. I'm going to download the free version. There's also a pro version. Click on this one, free download. There are two links for download. I will go with this one, cccleaner.com's link. You can select any. Here your download should start automatically. Start it downloading. Now we need to run this file to install. Still have. Now it's downloaded completely. Just click on open and then yes. Click on install. And uncheck this one for now, and then click on run Recuva to run this program, and then click next. Over here we need to select the type of files we want to recover. uh, for this example, I'm just gonna go with all files. You can select picture, music, documents, videos, or and then click next. If you know the location of the files, you can select from here the option they are given. I'm just gonna go with I'm not sure where the files were before they got deleted. Then click next and just start. Now it's scanning. Now here you can see the list of deleted files. You can select the files you want to recover and click on the recover button. For example, I'm just gonna select a couple of them and just click on recover, and it will ask you where you want to save this recovered file. So I'm just gonna go with the C and make a new folder, recover, and I'll save it over here in this folder. I'll select OK. It is asking, do you want to restore to the same drive? I'm just gonna click on no for now and just OK it. Okay, just yes. And this we have recovered these files. So this is a useful software to recover deleted files and also very easy to use. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.